Say hello, Andy.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Tide's coming in. Look.
Woo! Tell me what that is over there.
Portland Headlight.
Yeah. Yeah. And super duper miles out there is what?
England.
England, yeah! Hi, England. Tide's coming in.
It is.
Don't get your feet wet.
Yep. Any second now. Yeah.
I think you're pretty.
I think you're prettier.
I think you're prettiest.
I think I might win this one.
Nope.
You're the girl. Girls are pretty by like, you know, an extra 50%.
You're
anyway.
man pretty.
So, okay, well you're girl pretty. Which
I got some rocks.
Well, technically you win.
Oh, yes, I do.
Yep. Without the argument, you win the pretty contest.
Yes. But you know what's really pretty?
Ah.
The view.
You? Oh yeah.
The view.
Oh, I thought you said you. Meaning you. I was like, what? Yeah, you are. Oh. Wait, no. I lost the lenses to my sunglasses.
That's a shame.
I got them. I will keep them forever.
Forever, ever?
Yep.
Okay, there's a bug on my camera. I think I'm gonna stop recording.
Okay, I love you.
I love you back. Yeah.